Hi, Huskies. Today we're going to be doing our grammar lesson on nouns. You're going to need three different things. You're going to need your writing notebook, you'll need a pencil, and you will need a red colored pencil or crayon. Either one works. You can use, it is your choice. So once you have your writing notebook, go ahead and label the next blank page with the title of nouns because that is our topic for today. And underneath there, we are going to write down our definition of nouns. Now, nouns are something you should have learned in, I believe, first or second grade. But if you don't worry, never fear, we'll get you taken care of. So a noun is a person, a place, or a thing in a sentence. Now, the nice thing about this being a video is if you are running a little bit behind where I wrote, you can go ahead and pause the video, finish writing the notes that I have down, and then hit play again and continue on. Once I've written down my definition for a noun, I'm going to create a nice little chart by copying or tracing the blue line, and then I'm going to make 3 columns. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. And at the top of each column, I'm going to label it person, place, and this one is actually kind of a special one. I'm going to call it thing or animal. So in my person, place, thing, or animal, I have, I'm going to give you an example. For example, a person can be someone like your teacher. It could be Miss Rogge, it could be Ms. Osborne, or Mrs. Vasquez. A place like a school or a specific place such as Madden Elementary. Or it could be a thing or an animal such as a notebook. At this point, I want you to pause the video. You're going to give me 3 more examples of a person, a place, or a thing. Now that you've written down your 3 examples of a person, a place, or thing or animal, we're going to go ahead and practice finding nouns in a sentence because really that's where it counts. So my first example is going to be my brown dog jumped over the table. Once again, if you need to hit pause, you are more than welcome to do so, or you can, if you kept up, you're more than welcome to keep up. So here's my red pen or my colored pencil, in your case, colored pencil or crayon, and I'm going to go ahead and circle my nouns in red so I can keep them straight. My first noun that I see is an animal, and that's a dog. And what did he do? He jumped. And where did he jump? Over the table. That table is my other noun. Now I have a third noun, and that's going to be my, and it's kind of a special noun, and we'll talk a little bit more about that next time. After this, once you've circled all 3 of your nouns in your example, you are going to write another sentence, and you're going to find the nouns in that sentence. So here's your practice. The boy and girl ran to the house. At this time, take your red crayon or colored pencil and circle the 3 nouns that is in the sentence, the boy and girl ran to the house. Once you're done with that, you will be uploading the picture of this to Schoology in order to show your teacher that you followed directions, that you filled in your 3 examples, that you wrote the example sentence and circled the words in red, and that you wrote your practice sentence and found the nouns in the practice sentence correctly.